I love you.
Rapunzel, let's go home.
No! No! Honey! Come on!
Yes.
Oh my god!
Stop, listen to me.
No!
Ouch! Ouch!
Mommy, I'm sorry. Get out of me! Honey, are you okay?
Don't cry.
Rapunzel, let's go! No! Get away from him or you will suffer a very hard life.
Mom, I accept because I love him.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
I'm so sorry.
Darling, I want to come to your house.
Oh. Oh no!
Honey, please.
Okay.
My house is full. Mom. Hi.
Hello.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
Don't be afraid. I'm here. Sit down here.
Yes.
Ouch! Ouch!
Oh my god!
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Don't worry. My son. Okay. Let me help you.
Okay.
Yes. Oh no. Help me! Help me!
Oh my God.
Honey, don't cry.
I'm fine.
Wait for me here.
Okay. Oh my god!
Oh no!
Stop! Very good. Don't cry. Honey,
Are you okay?
Mommy! My daughter! Don't cry. Let's go home. Yes.
Honey.
My son, I'm sorry. Honey. Oh.
Rapunzel.
what happened?
No! I love him so much.
Oh, baby, thank you.
Marry me?
Yes.
Give me a new dress.
Wow, so beautiful.
Thank you. Oh.
No, 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 no.
Hey, baby.
For you. Goodbye. Wow. Mama, what happened? Nothing at all.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Huh? What's up? Goodbye. Wow, it's yummy. Yummy. Oh my god. Give it back to me. No. Oh no. Hey, what happened? I'm sorry. For you. Thank you. Okay.
Hello.
Huh? Wow.
Good.
Thank you.
No, no, no.
Don't do that. Oh no. Hey, hey, what happened? Mama. Oh no.
What's up?
My baby, don't cry. Hey, it hurts. Mama. Hey. Why? Hey, Oh no! Why you? Please come down. Mama.
My baby. What's up?
Because you don't love me. Oh no!
I'm sorry. My baby. Don't cry, don't cry.
Okay.
My baby. I'm sorry.
Okay, okay.
No, no, no.